How to check Sephora gift card balance. Hey everybody, if you'd like to check the balance of a Sephora gift card, you can follow up the steps. So you may visit the Sephora website or the application, and once you are here, you can navigate to the gift card section. You can look out for that in the payment option. So for that, go over to the basket option in the top right corner of your screen. Once you select a product that you would like to check out with, and on the checkout page you will be finding a gift card section. You may basically uh, look out for the gift card option, usually found in the footer of the website. So you may scroll down, and here you will be finding an option of gift card. So you may look out for the gift card option here. So basically find of the gift card that you have. After that, you can click on check balance or check gift card balance, something like that option here, and then enter up your card details, input the 6-digit gift card number and the 8-digit PIN, and click check to see the remaining balance on your card. And that way you can just go ahead and check your Sephora gift card balance. Otherwise, you can even head over in store, and when making a purchase, it will be displayed on the checkout page after you enter the card details. And that's it. So therefore, if you'd like to check your Sephora gift card balance, you may head over and follow up these steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.